welcome back to Pretty DIYs. Today I'll be participating in the Silly Rabbit Easter is for Jesus collaboration. The hosts are Melissa from Buckeye's Girls, Wreaths, and Things, Jerry from A Happy Hoarder, Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Penny from At Penny's Place, Deborah from Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Courtney from Amethyst Adventures, and Mable from Mable's Tables. And their links of their channels will be in the description box, along with the playlist with all of the creators' wonderful videos. So check the playlist out and also check the host out so you can see their other videos and what they have on their channels. So in this DIY, I'm going to be making, basically it's going to be a centerpiece, painting this cross that I got from the Dollar Tree white. And then I'll be putting it into a little wooden box that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And then adding some flowers to the bottom where the box is. I'll add flowers in there, and then I'll add a bow on the cross. So stay tuned and see how it turns out.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about Yeah, sometimes I fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall Sometimes you fall.
I'm pretty much finished with this DIY. I'm just finishing up adding little pieces, little greenery that I have. So let me know in the comments if you like this DIY or if you'll be trying it. It really only cost me about, I already had the flowers, so I would say $2.50, because now everything's $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So it cost me about $2.50 because I had everything else. I had the ribbon and I had everything else. So very reasonable. The fabric I got from Walmart, and I believe it was $3. I believe it was $3. So that was reasonable. So I would say about $5.50 altogether to make this project, which is pretty good. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.